Hi everybody and happy Christmas Eve. It's December 24th, 2019 and I'm found a little bit of time to sneak in here and film a video because I can't wait any longer. So I've become good friends with Christy at the Stitching Cafe, which is now Christy's Cafe. She also has a Floss Tube channel at Hand Dyed Diva. And so we've been emailing back and forth a lot, and we have a lot of the same tastes and are very similar. We decided to do a gift exchange, and I haven't opened the little packages, but I just couldn't wait any longer. And so I have come on here because I want to open all this stuff. I'm really, really excited. Okay. Package number one. Aww. Awesome. Little hot pads in some of my favorite colors. I love aqua and teal and blue. So this is really nice, and these are obviously handmade. So thank you very much. These will definitely be used. Oh. It says, oh, I thought for a moment I said, oh no, I haven't opened the card first, but it says open last. Okay. Thank you. I love chocolate, and I think we think alike. So thank you very much, Christy. These crossed each other in the mail, and will definitely be eaten because I love chocolate and I love almonds. Okay, what should be next? I think this one. Aww. Oh my gosh. Look. This is absolutely gorgeous. I have been seeing a lot of Brooks Books patterns, and I actually don't have any. So this is really, really, really beautiful. I will definitely stitch this. It doesn't matter that Christmas is tomorrow. I may just work on this and finish it. So this is beautiful. Sorry about the glare. So anyway, I don't have this pattern, and this is lovely. Okay, let's see. Next is this. Everything is wrapped so nicely. Aww. Handmade with love. These are gorgeous. So I've got a key fob and let's see. Are these needle minders? Yes. And I've got needle minders. So I've got a hummingbird and then little birds over here. And on the back, they just say handmade with love. These are beautiful, and I needed more needle minders, so these come at a really good time. So this is the next package, and oh my gosh. So, like, I'm almost in tears because I love this pattern, and I used to have this pattern, and when I had to move suddenly under difficult circumstances, I lost it, and I have been wanting it again as I've seen people kind of stitch it and everything. So like, I am absolutely blown away because I seriously, like, this was something that I lost, and you know, I haven't been able to find, and so it just was lost in the move, and I finally have it again. So like, I kind of feel like you read my mind. And it has fabric with it that's beautiful linen. Like, I'm absolutely blown away. Like, I'm really blown away because, like, this pattern, honestly, I've stitched the fairy Godmother by Lavender and Lace, and like I said, I had this pattern and it was lost, and so now I've got one. So thank you. That was really nice. That was really, really nice. Okay. Aww. A beautiful little notepad. And I love notepads. And it's pink and it's sparkly, so it will not, it will definitely fit in here. And I've got another little thing of lip balm, which I live in New England, and lip balm is always appreciated. Okay, so now I've got the thing that said to open last, so my envelope. So she wrote me a really, really, really nice card, but has this, and then in it, it has a little bit of perfume and then a little bit of body gel. And I think the smell is really nice. So thank you so much, Christy. Like, I am blown away. I will link both of her channels below, and if you are, you know, coming over from her channel, welcome. And I'm hoping to make a lot more videos over the next year. So maybe more a bit later. Thanks, bye. Hi everyone, Talking Hand is going to finish out this video. It is Christmas Eve still, and I have a little bit more I wanted to show you in my video, and I love you guys, but I'm not redoing my makeup for the rest of this, this video. So anyway, here we go. I have an FFO. I have actually fully completed and finished the Fall Leaves. I actually forget the correct title, but Julia Lucas designed this. It was in the fall edition of Just Cross Stitch, and I finished stitching it. I put it together, sewed the buttons on, and I'm getting ready to wrap it because it is a gift for my mother. So here we go. And I almost abandoned this project, and you know what? I'm really glad that I didn't, and I stuck with it, and I finished it because it looks beautiful, and I think she'll love it. The other thing I wanted to show you was that my counted canvas project, Floral Star by Nancy's Needles. Sorry for the glare. This is what it looks like completed, and this is what it looks like now. I actually ended up having to redo everything I had done. So since you last saw this, I had to frog like everything and restitch it, and then I've made a lot more progress. And I find this goes really fast. I really like it. It's turning out great. So lovely. I also did a lot of ornament stitching, and these are from Cross Stitch Crazy, their Christmas edition from this year, and also in previous years. I think it's these designs have been used before, but I kind of went crazy for these cute designs, and I stitched these and a little bell. My favorite one is the gingerbread house, and then I think these are gumdrops right here. I may do a little bit more stitching, but my plan is before everything starts back up after the new year is to maybe try to fully finish these some way. That would be good. I also wanted to show you the menorah that I stitched, and I just found this pattern online. It was free, but I did a little bit of changing to it, and I used the étoile, the gold and the white, and then I just did some over one stitching with a random gold cranic that I found in my stash. And this too I'm hoping to FFO. And the last thing is that I finally received my Under the Sea Fabrics order. It took about 10 weeks, I think. But like this says, this is Galeen. It's a opalescent linen 32 count, and it's a very big piece because, sorry for the crinkling, I am doing Renaissance Mermaid on this. This will definitely be a 2020 stitch. So anyway, here we go. So thank you so much for watching. I hope everyone is having a good holiday, or at least a good end of December. Thanks. Bye.